Alibaba has just launched their agentic AI coding platform, which is a solid alternative of Cursor and Windsurf. So let's know why Coder is better than Cursor and Windsurf. Firstly, it is an agentic AI coding platform. It is a tool that just goes beyond code completion to deliver autonomous feature development from start to finish. What Cursor or Windsurf do is you will enter a prompt that they will only do that specific task. But rather than that, what Coder do is, let's suppose you set it to create a to-do app. It will not only create a to-do app, it will add much more features which are useful to users. Okay, so understand entire code base. So what Windsurf or Cursor do is it just knows it's just know context of some of the files which are related to your task, but it don't know the entire code base. It does is it creates a complete semantic model of your project, understanding relationship, dependency, and design pattern across of the files. Like it may have created some type of algo or something which understands the whole project. Okay, why it matter? Coder promises 10x developer productivity. So they have promised 10x developer productivity on their website. Okay, so we will test it now, how much productivity it can increase or what are the outputs of the coder. Is it really better than Windsurf or Cursor, or it's just a myth or hype? So why we need next gen AI coding tool? Limited context understanding. Currently, Cursor and Windsurf limited context understanding, but this AI tool have a full database, full code database understanding, passive instead of proactive. Like you can see, tools like GitHub Copilot offer suggestion, not solution. Like if you use GitHub Copilot, they only just tell you suggestion, they don't do it. But Windsurf or Cursor can do all the changes, constant context switching. Like what we do is, let's go, like sometimes what happens is we will change the models like GPT-5, Claude, and other things. We don't need to do it here. It will automatically think which model is best for the task, and it will automatically implement that model. Coder big promises, like there is a promises beyond assistant to agent. Like it is not just assistant, it's an agent. It automatically tests your project and all the things. It automatically fix your bugs, identify your bugs, and those things. Full repo understanding. They say like they have full code base understanding, not just the one file or two file. Multi-agent collaboration, like currently what happens is you can just work on single file, like a single feature at a time, but with Coder you can work on multiple features in a single time. You can in to do app you can add multiple type of thing, they can run simultaneously on the project. Key features you can see: quest mode, autonomous background development, delegate complete development tasks to Coder while you focus on big picture thinking. According to it, you just type some of the tasks. Like you can see, you describe the task, it will automatically plan, automatically code implement, and it will automatically testing and validations. Okay, it will do all the things automatically. How it works, you can see plans, first is plan and then write, then it automatically tests. But currently Cursor and Windsurf don't test the code automatically, so it also tests and deliver code automatically. The benefits, okay, full project context, it will automatically have full context. Like Coder create a semantic model like this: dependency, repo, wiki, docs, project structure of the entire project, mapping dependency relationships and design pattern across all the files. Like they have made some kind of new their context model or something which keep your complete code base understanding. Tribal knowledge into documentation, team benefits, like other things. Okay, next gen suggestion and smart modeling. Like they automatically tell you after doing a completion, they will automatically suggest you what to do next. Not you will not tell it what to do, it will automatically suggest to what we should do next, what the feature we can add, what are the other things that we can add. And it will smart model routing, it will automatically select the models like which they want to use, Claude 4, GPT-4, and any other. Okay, so flexible input and powerful integrations. They have integration like Cursor and Windsurf like have MCP, they also have those things. Flexible context management, you can submit a bug report or screenshot or whole folder, Coder makes sense of it all. The platform automatically find the important file and follow both. Okay, so they follow git ignore file and other files. If you have some like context things, like you have your company document which you wanna like fix, like you wanna see that while creating that code, you can also add that. So Coder versus the rest, who wins? Coder have autonomous development, Cursor have limited, and Windsurf have limited. Why it have limited? Because Coder generate the full code with extra features. Okay, full project context. Cursor have full project context, but Windsurf doesn't have. And GitHub also have basic full project context. Like GitHub don't have full project context, but they have some files, context of some files. Multi-agent coordination. Currently, no other platform support this. Only it support. Like you can work on multiple features at the same time. Automatic model routing. Only Coder supports it. Cross file editing. Only Coder supports it. and cursor supports it. Auto documentation, RepoWiki. Using RepoWiki, it automatically documents your whole project, like which file is connected to which file, and if new developer is coming to your project working on it, it can understand the whole project easily. Currently, and most important thing, currently, because it's just launched, I think it's only 2 to 3 days. Currently, it's free, and other have a like too much pricing. Like Cursor has a lot of pricing, $20 plus a month is just a basic plan. If you write more code, you will have to buy their more credits. Okay, currently Coder is free. You can test it. Okay, so let's first test the Coder, how it works in real world. First, you have to go on Coder website and you can download the Coder from there. Like it's the Coder website, you can download the Mac OS version from here. Okay, I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it now. I will just open Coder, and just we do. Let's start. Import from VS Code. I am not using Cursor. We will import from VS Code. Confirm and continue. Okay, let's add the password. Importing, it's importing all the settings of my windsurf. And Coder dark, we will use Coder dark theme. Let's sign in. We have to create an account on it. We will sign it up. Let's sign up with Google. Continue. Open Coder. Now it's signed in. Let's create a new app. Let's open the chat panel using command plus L. So yeah, so to test it, we will first create a folder, our project. We will open folder. I will go in documents and then create a folder, test. Let's open it, and first we will create a to do app. Let's get and copy the prompt. Like you can see, create a comprehensive task management app. We'll copy it, hold the prompt, and let's see, add here. Okay, let's see what is it is. Code, create a comprehensive task management application with the following features: task creation, editing and deletion, task categorization and tagging, due date management, priority levels, task completion, user interface. Okay, technical, use vanilla JavaScript, but we will use here, use like no, we will use JavaScript HTML5. Okay, additional features, we want this. Let's submit it, and let's see how much time it will take. Timer, stopwatch, start. I have gave it. Let's see how much time it will take while creating this project. First it will do is add to do's. Like it is creating a plan, then it will work. Okay, while it is creating, let's see other tasks. Like here, after creating a single project, you can add multiple tasks here. You can add multiple tasks. Like write spec first, execute directly. We'll use write specs first. You can tell it which thing to add, which feature you want to add. You can just add it and run. It will automatically do the whole process. You can add multiple tasks simultaneously in it. Like this project is gonna edit by multiple agents for multiple features at the same time. Like multiple developers are working on a project. Okay, so let's see where that go. So here it is. It have created a add to do option. So let it do their work, and we will come after the whole project is done. So friends, the application got ready and it's pretty amazing. So let's see how much time it took. Let Here you can see it took around 26 minutes, not 26, it took around 20 minutes. Like some of the commands it gave me to approve it, I forgot to approve them, so it's got completed in 20 minutes, which is a lot of time, but the quality is also great. Let's see how the project is looking. You can see the project looks super awesome. Add task title, YouTube video, make 2 YouTube videos. You can see priorities also there, category, work, personal, it's work, date 25. Like there's a lot of things here. We can also add tags and everything. Today overview completed, there are multiple things. Okay, overdue, like it has a lot of features guys, it's amazing. According to me, the tools that I have used till now are not close to it, but yeah, they have lot more speed than it. It took a lot of time, 20 minutes. 20 minutes is lot much time, but still its output is much better. You can see calendar, you can see how much task it have, like it's like a Google Calendar of your own. Projects, you can create new projects, and inside each project you can add multiple things. Okay, habit tracker, notes, analytics. Like guys, hats off, it's like amazing tool according to me. It's a super amazing tool. It's also a dark mode, and wow, awesome. It's a super good tool, man. Okay, so yeah, it's a great tool, but speed is a concern, little concern. It take hoping 20 minutes. 20 minutes is too much. So yeah, if you're like, you can try this for free currently. So yeah, you can try it and test it of your own. From my suggestion, it's best tool that I have seen till now, from design, from feature perspective. But from the speed perspective, it's the worst tool. It took lot of time for speed. Okay, it needs to increase its speed. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching this video. If you want the link of this tool, it is in the description, or you can go on Google and check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.